Good evening everyone. So I am Disonimus Likong. So I want to speak what is the difference between a criminal procedure and criminal law. So good day everyone. Today is mainly explain the difference between the criminal law and the criminal procedure, two essential parts of legal system that closely are related but very different in purpose. The criminal law is the body of law that define what acts of considered crimes and serve the punishment for those crimes. For example, it tells us theft, assault, or murder are criminal offenses and outlines the penalty for committing the criminal law. Is concerned with a people are not allowed to do. So what happen if they break out the rules? But our better criminal law help the mountain in order defending offenses. The criminal procedure ensured justice the regulating how those offenses are handled it. So that's all. Thank you. So number 2, what are the system, the criminal procedure? So for me, I would like to talk about a vital component of the justice system of criminal procedure. This system are the backbone how justice administered where someone is accused of a crime. First, we have a adversarial system. Commonly is the used country like United States and United Kingdom. They are two sides the prosecution and defense battle are court with the judge. Prosecution and defense battle are court with the judge, ensure the rules are followed. So second is the accustorial system, often found the European, the civil law of the country like France, Germany, and take a different approach. The judge plays an active role investigating the fact because each system has its strength and weaknesses, but no matter the method, the goal is same: to serve justice fairly and uphold the rule of law. So that's all. Thank you. Number 3, what are the requirements of due process in the criminal proceedings? So for me, before to speak about one most important principle in any just society, due process and law criminal proceedings. So most important, it uphold the principle a person is innocent until proven and guilty, and principle and remains as that subvention is not the same as the guilty procedure. So that's all. Thank you.